Okay, so here's my Hoover Conquest. I did a apartment job yesterday. No, wait, Thursday. Yesterday I was sick as hell. Anyway, that part's a different story. So it's full up to the line. Got a big pile of stiff dirt here. So we're gonna change this bag, and I'm gonna smoke a cigarette while I do it. Okay, so we're gonna get started with this video. And then after I get the bag changed, I'll do a little run with it for you as well. You can also get cloth bags, shakeout bags, to put in these bag jackets, which I don't recommend because they don't filter air as well as a paper bag or Hoover HEPA bag. Sorry. It's really hard to do because it's so heavy and full. I don't know if you can see that or what. If you can't, I'm sorry. Nice full bag of dirt. Type A bag. So I got another bag right here. I just open the little way up a little bit, which is hard to do with one hand. Well. I don't know where my phone tripod is, so that kind of don't help any. And there we have it. So I just put this in the little pocket here. That's the parrot making all that noise in the background, if you're wondering. And the wind chimes and all. Shut up, boss. And there's our nice, clean Hoover Conquest bag. And there we go. I hope y'all enjoyed that. And subscribe to my YouTube and all. And like Arbach Lovers 1618 on Facebook. Until next time, everyone. Bye.